Hi, I am Avinash Patil. I am going to present Kids Smart Spot LLC, a child care center business plan. Executive summary. Kids Smart Spot Child Care Center is a limited liability corporation. It provides safe and secure place for children ages from 3 months to 6 years. We are specialized in STEM learning to explore kids' innate talents. We offer both education and extracurricular activities at affordable cost, approximately 25% lower than the market rates. Our startup funding requirement is approximately $1 million. Corporate mission and vision. Our mission is to offer parents a safe and quality child care, also a complete early child development education at an affordable cost, and to provide STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math learning programs. Our vision is to help community by providing discounted programs to the families living in poverty. The team. The business is owned by Mr. Avinash Patil and Mrs. Runali Patil. Our team has experience in working with students at early age. We are experienced in sports coaching and also successfully done the coaching in STEM learning using robotics. The project management experience and MBA in finance utilized to develop a roadmap for our business success. Also, the arts and graphic design expertise utilized for successful marketing strategies of our business. Goals and objective. Uh, we provide high quality childcare using STEM learning. Also, that leads to improved educational and development outcomes for the children. We also provide ongoing trainings for our teachers, and also we have planned to start branches with our specialized learning across the USA. Our current ratio is of 2 or more, and also the current liabilities to net worth ratio is less than zero point 0.5. That means we have best financial positions, so that we can pay our debts, and also we can pay our creditors regularly without any financial problems. We own a complete profit after break-even sales of approximately $1 million. And also we have calculated a return on investment of 88%, and from second year onwards it's 28% for our investors. And you can see in a graph like highlights about our net profit. In the first year, it's we have net profit of around 39,000. $441, and then from second year onwards it is $126,312. Product and services. The foundation of human brain architecture and lifelong developments are laid down in a child's early age of learning. Like as I said, we provide parents a single spot so that parents don't have to worry about researching multiple activities for their children. Enrollment in our program will give parents an access to a variety of activities that will help their children discover their skills and keep them engaged in various age appropriate activities. And those are like child daycare and learning center, nutritional food services, STEM learning and robotics, music, dance, sports, yoga and gymnastic, and art and craft, etc. So we are strongly believing in our product and services which will attract the parents. Market summary. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics report shows that the childcare business is growing fast, and by 2020 it will grow and have margins as high as 96%. The proper high quality early child care programs produce short-term and long-term positive effects on children cognitive and social development. Also, you can see from the graph how from the past decades how child care business is growing fast. Opportunity. The Child Care Aware report shows that The children under age 6 potentially in need of childcare in United States is around approximately 15 million, and in Michigan itself is around half a million. Our program diversify revenue by adding new programs specialize in STEM learning and robotics programs and art and craft. And also we think like this will attract new parents who are looking for high quality childcare services for their children and safe place to develop the skills. Competitive advantage. The traditional childcare center provides education with a learning curriculum, but not many options for the parents to get both education and extracurricular activities. Our program satisfies parents' need for their children daycare need and also the skills required to develop their uh, ena- or enhance their skills by STEM learning. Our childcare center will succeed for the following reason. It's like we provide high quality, safe environment, STEM learning, extracurricular activities with affordable cost, and location is very convenient. We are planning to have our location near to school and living area, approximately 10 minutes of driving to and from our center location. Risk. We have identified risks associated are primarily related to the health and safety of infants and small children. These are not on top priority than other generic business risks such as fire and theft. We make sure to have an excellent general liability policy so that these risks can be avoided. Financial plan. Our startup funding requirement is approximately $1 million. The various costs includes legal expenses such as like licensing fees, permits, state inspection, and financial safety. Other operating expenses involve employee salaries, benefits, facility rent, utility bills, and childcare supplies. The gross margin percentage we have calculated as 99.43% after deducting cost of sales. The net profit for the first year we have estimated after tax deduction is around $39,441. And from second year onwards, we are expecting 10 to 15% growth rate, so that we have student admissions with full occupancy in a class. And also from second year onwards, the net profit forecasted is as like $126,312. The major assumptions and company milestones. Our program offers affordable rates which cover both early age daycare and education activities, providing all activities as the same spot to the parents. Our curriculum pattern design should definitely attract parents easily. The convenient and easy access is close proximity to the school and local area in the Portage, Michigan. And our goal is to get debt to equity mix financing to satisfy our startup funding requirement of approximately $1 million. And also like we have identified like good debt to equity ratio is between 1 to 1.5 for any startup funding requirement. And also we have calculated our debt to equity ratio of 1.11 for our startup funding requirement. So here are some references we have used while preparing business plan. Thank you. Feel free to post any questions on Moodle.